On today's episode of DGR, Dan's going to show you how to go from this to this. Stay tuned. Today's repair is a level 1. Little to no repair experience is necessary. Few tools are required. There are very few steps, and it should take you under 10 minutes. The first item you're going to need is a fine-tipped Phillips head screwdriver. These are available everywhere, in stores or online, and it's going to cost you between $1 to $2. The second and last item that you're going to need is a replacement joystick. These are available online through eBay, and it's going to cost you between $7 to $8. Which means this repair is going to cost around $10 depending on what you may already have.
Biggest, weakest part of the system. So you limp. Alright, so you have your main screws that hold the controller together, and then you have two screws down in there where the memory card and rumble packs go.
Perfect.
So you want to get those two out first, what I start with anyway. You want to drop them screws out. Put them off to the side. Just take the bottom off, pinch it. Bottom comes off very easily. Biggest thing to watch is when you take this out, you don't force anything. Just pop that out, little rubber on the top. That's what for your trigger. And you can take this, pull it right out, like that. 3 screws that hold the stick in. Take them out. They are different, so you don't want to mix them up. Limp stick, you can see it's no good. These aren't repairable. People over the years have definitely tried. I've tried. You can buy springs, but you can never get them right. Replacement stick. This goes in the same way it came out. This sets in there. There's nothing really too much to worry about. Put your screws back in. And they do make a GameCube stick that's a lot of people seem to like. We'll know here. We'll do one of those too to show you the difference. You know, and then you put the wire. It only goes in one way. Only in one way. Sometimes the replacement ones are a little bit tighter. Biggest thing is don't force anything. And make sure when you go to put this back, you put the wire around that box there so it doesn't pinch when you put it all back together. Put your little rubber on there. So once that's on there, then it just snaps right between it. It only goes one spot. You'll see it has little notches on it right there. That's it. And see, we lost our sticks there, so shoulder buttons. Just put them back on. That's it. Everything's in. You just put the bottom back on. Nothing loose on here to worry about other than the trigger, but let's put that on there. It snaps together, you'll hear it. Now sometimes these center ones, there you go. There you go, you'll hear it. Sometimes to replace the sticks, you got to make sure you're not pinching that wire in there. New stick, all ready to go. Like new, not loose, brand new. And the old one's garbage, but you can see the difference. See?